Welcome everyone. This is Kishan from Bangalore, India, and right now we are seeing CS50's web programming using Python and JavaScript project 2. So for the first specification, we can go ahead and see that they have asked us to create three models. So for the first model, we have a listing model, we have a comment model, and we have a bid model. I'll go ahead and run the particular program. So as you guys can see, the development of this particular website has developed in this address. I'll go ahead and copy the link. So you guys can see I can log in or I can register. I'll go ahead and log in because I already have an account. So I can view all the listings of this particular page by default in the default web address. I'll go ahead and for the create listing page. So I'll create a listing called mask. I want to sell a mask. So I'll give the bid to be $2. The image URL, I'll just copy paste something from here. And in the this comes under the address category. Stay safe. And so I can go ahead and create a listing. So as you can see, successfully listed mask. So once I go to the active listings, you guys can clearly see that they have created a listing called mask. So I took a, if you want I can go ahead and see the listing in the by default URL. We can see that all the active listings of this particular website are listed in the default directory or the default website. Then going ahead, you can see that the mask, you can see a description, you can see the current bid, the starting bid, number of bids, and whoever. So I'll go ahead and then in the listings page, because I'll go ahead and log out from this and I'll log into other one. So for a person who sees the listing, he can see this, there's a listing like this. He can go ahead and add to the watch list. If I go to the watch list, you guys can see watch list for Raj is created, and see I can view the listing. In case I want to bid on this mask, I can bid. The minimum is $2. So in case I give 1, you can see that an error has occurred. So I'll not be able to, the minimum bid should be greater than the current bid amount. So I'll go ahead and bid for 3 and I'll leave a comment. I want this. So this is just a sample comment. I can go ahead and submit it. And in case I want to remove this from the watch list, I can remove, or you can see, as you can see clearly, that I have already posted a comment. So in case like I was the owner and I want to end this listing, I can clearly end this particular listing also. So once you see the listing, see I'm going and closing the auction. You can clearly see the auction has been closed. RK, like the user has won this particular bid, and the watch list is already done. So now we'll go to the particular categories page. So the categories are divided. So I want to see only vehicle category. I can go ahead and submit the vehicle. You can clearly see that there is a listing for vehicle. And in case for books, I want to search for a books category. I can see books. I can go to that listing. And similarly, we can have all this particular listings of all the particular category under one categories page. I'll go ahead and open the admin interface. So I'll log into the admin. So you can see clearly that I can see the listings. In case I want to delete this mask, in the action I can just say delete selected items, go. So you can clearly see this. Yes, I can go ahead and delete the listings. I can view the listings. I can edit the comments, and I can do all the stuff in the admin interface. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you have a fun time.